What makes this orchid project unique is that all the orchids grown are raised in a natural setting outside without using a greenhouse, but also they are nourished by some rather amazing little critters. They all help to nurture the orchids. And some of them don't have many boundaries. They get to roam free. So it's a matter of collecting it and dispersing it. But these orchids are very happy that by sharing these beautiful orchids with others, that they can be happy too. I think orchids are the most beautiful flower in the world. Some of them are even fragrant, beyond imagination. I think they like this natural environment here in the rainforest. The Hawaii environment is home to thousands of different species of flowers, including orchids, dendrobiums, and they seem to do very well in this environment. Never gets too cold, and it's almost always moist. They're members of the nurturing team. Say hi, you guys. Hi. Hi. Hello. They're pretty quiet. And this is our newest and probably most adorable member of our nurturing team. Doesn't even have a name yet. Can you say hi? Hi. He loves helping with the orchids. As long as I can stay awake, I will be helpful. This is a Vanda orchid. I like to see them grow in trees. There you have it. Proceeds from the sale of these cards and prints to the investors will help to promote a program so that we can donate 100 flower arrangements this year to the Hospice of Hilo and make people happy. Enjoy the orchids.